So that's the state of things, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Richard, this is Lap of the World, and you'll have to excuse the brevity of my intro today. I'm on a bit of a timetable. So, it's Tuesday afternoon, and right now you should be watching the 5 ways to kill an NSX video. Assuming I got everything out on time. Always a question mark. In the meantime, though, I've got some stuff to take care of, because I want to make an autocross this Sunday. And right now, the car has no wheel bearing. And in fact, no wheels at all on it. And that's because I needed to replace the tires. The R888s, which I had been using, Toyo R888s, were great on track, not as great on the street. And frankly, their rears are just shot at this point. They've got no tread left, and they're heat cycled all the way out. So I picked up a set of Falken Azenis RT615Ks, which I'm hoping will be a better compromise for my purposes of not necessarily having to set the fastest lap time, but needing the car to do everything well. So I need to get those loaded up, as well as the wheel bearing to exchange, since I don't have a press in the shop yet. And I'm going to take those over to European Auto Garage, which is a local shop that I work with a bunch. And they do great work, and they're also super convenient to my house. So I'm going to get the wheels and tires loaded up. I'm going to set you down so I can get that on the way. Since it's a change I'm making, let's talk tires for just a minute. I'm not going to go too far down the rabbit hole on this one, I promise. I know I come from an autocross background and could therefore nerd out on tire tech all day. But in quick summary, I picked these up on eBay on sale last week. They are Falken RT615K Pluses and 255 width rears and 215 width fronts. I found that with most tires, that leads to a good balance for the NSX. I've actually never run a set of Falkens before. They aren't paying me to put these on my car yet. Falken, if you're listening. Tires, of course, are one of the biggest consumable expenses that you'll encounter if you start doing a lot of track days. So, any help there would be much appreciated. In the meantime, though, however, I will remain distinctly unbiased and let you know exactly what I think of them after I've gotten some road miles and an autocross or track day under my belt. For now, let's get them on the car. Thursday afternoon, and we're just pulling away from European Auto Garage. I had them verify the alignment, make a little tweak to the rear toe, and replace an errant CV boot strap. I had noticed it leaving Cincinnati, that on some of the tarmac there where the lanes were rutted, the rear end of the car felt really darty. And as it turned out, the rear had a little bit too much toe out, so I just had that brought back into spec and we should be good to go. So I'm gonna get the car home. I think all we have left to do, again, unless I uncover something else bizarre, all we have left to do should be an oil change and making sure we wake up on time on Sunday. So fingers crossed I don't find anything else. But for now, back to the studio. Garage, whatever. It's Saturday evening, Lap of the World fans, and it's time to get excited for two reasons. One, the car is ready to go, the event is still on, so in less than 12 hours, we are attempting motorsports for the first time in 6 months. Two, one of you now 120 subscribers, thank you very much everyone, has a t-shirt and a couple of decals on the way. That lucky subscriber is TK Sachs. Thanks for subscribing, TK. Drop me an email at richard@lapoftheworld.com with your t-shirt size and address, and I'll get that hooked up. TK actually has his own YouTube channel, which I've linked to below, so drop by his channel and say hi if you get a chance. Otherwise, with those two exciting announcements out of the way, I think it's time to call it for this evening. I gotta get the rest of the stuff in the car real quick, then I just need to go set my alarm. And I'll see you guys in the next video, if not on the course. I'm Richard, and this is Lap of the World.